Open it up there, little one. Oh, it's got tape on it. What are you doing? There's a card. Yep. It says Cooper and I have a happy dumb toy day. One for me and one for Cooper. Don't know what it is. Hey Coop, something in there for me too. Let me see. Let me see. Come on, let me see. Coop. Coop. He wants it all to himself. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, what's that? Coop, let me see. Let me see it. It says puppy love. Look at that. Who's it smell like? Does it smell like Buffy? Huh? What's this one? Get that one. Get it. This one. Get that. I hope it's not breakable. Hey, let me see. No, Cooper. Hey, I hear you crunching. Come here. Let me see it. Let me see. Let me see it. Hey, are you listening? Let me see. Thank you. What is it? I think this one's mine, Coop. Look at the paper. Oh, rough morning. Look, Coop. Put his face right in it. We got Valentine's Day stuff on Dumb Toy Day. Hey, there's yours. Now you can go tear the tag off. Oh, it has a squeak. Well, he made short work of that. Hey, Cooper. What do you think? Coop. He smells Buffy. Cooper. Coop. Cooper. Cooper. Say thank you. What a face. What a mug. Say thank you. Okay, play. Get it. Get it. Here. I think he loves it. He hasn't torn the tag off yet. He'll get to it.